Ayan na po, si LeBron James, ang kanyang media day interview with the Lakers. 8th season with the Lakers, mga kabarangay. Like, comment, and share dyan, mga kabarangay. Follow, invite yung mga friends nyo. Ayan na po, si LeBron. Pero ano lang to, portion lang. Hindi natin bubuhuin ng interview niya, masyado mahaba. Kaya panoorin, makinig.
I don't know, but I guess happy to be back, guys. I miss you guys. I am. Yeah, I am. Fresh, feel good. Yeah, feel good. You know, look, I don't have any basketball. I'm retired from asking you the basketball question. You know what I want to talk about? That golf game. And the show.
All right. See you on the next vlog. Mga barangay.